Are you ready to step into the rewarding realm of affiliate marketing and start harvesting passive income? Well, it's time to get your hands dirty as we delve into the thrilling universe of affiliate marketing. This comprehensive guide will not only elucidate the process of becoming an affiliate marketer step by step, but also assist you in locating the prime affiliate products that align with your niche. Embarking on the journey of affiliate marketing can be a phenomenal source of revenue if executed accurately. This step-by-step tutorial places you on the right path towards your financial aspirations. We'll dissect the many faces of affiliate marketing, from hand-picking superior products to their effective promotion. Not only that, we'll explore techniques to amplify your audience engagement, consequently escalating your income. Regardless of whether you're wetting your feet in the affiliate marketing ocean, or an experienced marketer aiming to broaden your knowledge pool, this video serves as your detailed step-by-step guide to triumph. This voyage may appear intimidating initially, but bear in mind, every maestro was once a novice. With the correct guidance and the right toolbox, you'll smoothly sail through and commence earning passive income. So, get ready to plunge into the depths of affiliate marketing and get the ball rolling. Affiliate marketing, to put it simply, is a marketing model that is performance-based. Let's dive deeper into what this means. Instead of creating and selling your own products or services, with affiliate marketing you are promoting other people's products. Think of it as being a middleman between a product or service provider and the consumers. Now let's break down how this works. You start by choosing a product you like and feel confident promoting. Once you have made your selection, you are given a unique affiliate link that you can share through your blogs, social media platforms, websites, or any other method of reaching potential consumers. When someone clicks on your unique link and purchases the product, you earn a commission from that sale. Essentially, you are leveraging your skills and platforms to drive sales to other businesses, and in return for your efforts, you are rewarded financially. The key to success in affiliate marketing is careful niche selection. You must find a niche that not only aligns with your interests, but also has a high demand in the market. This approach can prove to be an exciting and dynamic field, filled with endless opportunities for those who are eager and ready to grasp them. In your quest to find affiliate products to promote, you need not worry. The task may seem intimidating at first, but it's indeed quite feasible. The internet is a goldmine, brimming with numerous platforms that offer a rich variety of affiliate products for you to select. Let's delve deeper into some of these platforms. ClickBank, Amazon Associates, and ShareASale are top-tier platforms that proffer not just a vast range of goods, but also a user-friendly interface for affiliate marketers. They are home to an expansive array of products ranging from everyday household items to more specialized niche products. Choosing the optimum product, however, requires careful consideration. It's vital to ensure that the products you select align with the niche of your website or blog. This is crucial as it guarantees that these products will resonate with your audience, leading to increased sales. But there's more to selecting products than simply matching them with your niche. A critical aspect to consider is the product's sales record. Products with a robust sales record are indicative of high consumer demand and reliability. Hence, strive to select products that not only fit your niche, but also boast a strong sales history. In essence, your mission is twofold. Locate platforms providing a diverse range of affiliate products and meticulously select products that blend with your niche and exhibit a commendable sales record. Achieve this, and you're well on your way to success. After you've carefully chosen your affiliate products, the next significant step is crafting your platform. This phase is crucial in building your digital footprint and making an impact in the online sphere. What type of platform will you establish? You're presented with a variety of options. Should you possess a knack for writing and wish to engage your audience with compelling articles, setting up a blog could be your chosen path. This could be on your personal website or on other blogging platforms such as WordPress or Blogger. Remember that where you post these blogs can significantly affect your reach and visibility. On the other hand, if you find joy in creating visually stimulating content, then launching a YouTube channel could be your best bet. Alternatively, you might opt for a social media page for instantaneous and interactive communication with your followers. It's crucial to remember that the platform you select should correspond with your abilities, preferences, and the demographics you aim to attract. Once your platform is live, your focus should shift to the development of valuable content. High-quality content forms the foundation of any successful platform. It's the element that maintains your audience's interest and keeps them returning. Strive to create content that's full of valuable information and holds the reader's attention. However, keep in mind that you're not just supplying content for the sake of it. Your aim should be to subtly weave your affiliate products into your content. Striking this balance is crucial. You don't want to come across as overly aggressive or hard-selling. Prioritize providing valuable content to your audience and subtly incorporate your affiliate products into your content. Building a strong, resilient relationship with your audience is the key to maximizing your success. It's not just about selling products or services, but about fostering a bond, a connection that resonates deep within your audience. This bond's foundation is built on the pillars of transparency and honesty brought forth by you as a content creator, a marketer, and most importantly, a trusted advisor. Communication plays a crucial role in this process. Make sure to convey that you're not just a salesperson looking to sell some goods, but a partner in their journey. You understand their needs, their desires, and are here to provide the right solutions. Make it a point to highlight your affiliate partnerships and explain why the associated products deserve their attention. Stay clear of deceptive practices or false advertising. Instead, opt for an open and honest approach about your affiliations. Being an influencer or an affiliate marketer does not give you the license to exploit your followers' trust for a quick buck. It's all about cultivating an environment of mutual respect, trust, and credibility. It's crucial to endorse and promote only those products that you have personally used, tested, and found to be valuable. Understand the values, expectations, and needs of your audience and align your product promotions accordingly. Remember, your credibility is on the line each time you vouch for a product. Endorsements should come from a place of genuine belief in the product's benefits, as this not only fortifies your credibility, but also strengthens your bond with the audience. So let's remember, trust building is paramount. Be transparent about your affiliate partnerships and promote only the products that you genuinely believe in. This is the mantra for a successful and fruitful relationship with your audience. In order to optimize your affiliate marketing strategies, it is crucial that you persistently refine your approach. Building a successful affiliate marketing venture isn't a one-time procedure. View it as an expedition, wherein you must improve your tactics on a regular basis. Visualize it as fine-tuning a symphony. The more you enhance and fine-tune, the sweeter it resonates. Broaden your horizons and seek new prospects. The digital sphere is immense and continuously evolving. There are ceaselessly fresh platforms, fresh audiences, and fresh products waiting to be found. Cultivate a sense of curiosity. Foster innovation. Welcome transformation. Don't overlook the importance of diversification. Refrain from focusing all your energy on a single channel. Diversify your endeavors across a variety of channels and niches. This approach not only mitigates risks, but also amplifies potential. Patience is a virtue that is extremely vital in this process. Remember, Rome wasn't constructed overnight, and neither will your affiliate marketing venture be. It requires time, effort, and unwavering dedication. But the rewards can be massive. All that is required is the correct attitude and the readiness to invest time and effort. Bear in mind, constancy and patience are the cornerstones of achieving sustained success in affiliate marketing. In conclusion, you're now just steps away from an exciting voyage into the world of affiliate marketing. Here's a recap of what we've covered. First, we've explained the fundamentals of affiliate marketing and provided you with the necessary knowledge to embark on this journey. We acknowledge that there will be challenges, but also immense opportunities for learning and growth. Next, we discussed various strategies and techniques that you can experiment with, and how these can be tailored to your unique needs. This valuable information was intended to provide you with a solid starting point from which to launch your affiliate marketing venture. This video was designed not just to be a resource, but a catalyst for your success in affiliate marketing. And your journey doesn't stop here. By liking this video and subscribing to our channel, you'll receive instant updates and gain access to our upcoming videos, which will offer even more insights and strategic breakthroughs. Lastly, as a subscriber, you'll join our vibrant online community, allowing you to network and learn from others in the field of affiliate marketing. We hope this video has been a stepping stone on your path to success in affiliate marketing. Thank you for watching.